I ain't the one that you wanna talk about. I ain't the one that you wanna run your mouth about. You should know that you shouldn't play with fire, fire.
If I'm getting straight to the point with this video, basically I'm a little titty girl. Like, my titties are small, almost non-existent if I didn't do certain stuff to amplify them. Okay, this video is going to change everything in literally two things, okay? Before we go into it, like this video to give me more breasts. I don't know if I'm allowed to say boobs because I haven't experienced my video being demonetized, and I don't want to experience my videos being demonetized, but they're breasts. Breasts are natural, breasts are humane. So it's about breasts. As you can see, some people might say, Vanessa, you got boobs, like what is your problem? What, come on, what is that? It's a burn mark. I'm wearing this dress, yeah. My issue is my boobs are just not up there like this. Okay, naturally that's a bit too harsh. This is like, yeah. Also, as you know, I am a slim babe, yeah, and if you haven't seen my last video of when I literally said the 101 problems of being a slim girl, then you need to click on that right now because I highlighted everything. I went there with everything. Like, I love my breasts. My breasts are like the best part about me, apart from when I burn myself there. So as you can see, I'm not wearing no bra. No, before I get into it, guys, like the video, like for more titties in 2020. Push-up bra, like I feel incomplete without push-up bra. Like, push-up bras are life, and I feel so personal with you guys. I'm just unlocking everything time by time with you guys, because I would never be showing my bra, one of my bras on camera. But here we go. It's got the pad here, and this is what gives the push. As you can see, side by side, I have barely nothing there, and now it's like brought it up, so I can wear this with all types of confidence. Ever since I discovered this, I'm not turning back. Like, I look like all sorts of type of doll, okay? And it gives me bigger boobs. Take your highlighter and your highlighter brush, guys, and this, you put some highlight here and you go into like a tree, like your you guys are probably thinking, Vanessa, that is too bright. Just watch and like the video, okay, and be patient. Right, so I'm gonna smudge it in a bit like this. Yes, and then I'll take some highlighter and just highlight this part of my boobies, my breastises, and this part of my breastises. Guys, that is it. That and a fifth, you just need some highlighter and a push-up bra and you're good to go. Literally, that is it, guys. There's nothing more to it than this. I got some breasts and it looks really, really nice, and it just gets your whole chest piece popping. Hey guys, so that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And the reason why I say wear push-up bras, because you don't want to have pancakes and then try and highlight a breast that are non-existent. It will look weird, like from a side profile you just have nothing there but highlighter on your chest. But just be very what's the word I'm looking for? What is the word I'm looking for? Lenient, and that's not the word I'm looking for. Be very lenient with highlight. You don't want to do too much. You just do it to the place where you can see this has done something to me. Give it a like and a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram. I actually did a eyeshadow look for some reason today. Wait, can you guys see it? Because I have no eyelids, okay? I did a eyeshadow look, makeup look today with pink. If you guys want to see makeup look, then also comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon. Guys, take care of yourself and stay blessed.